For task 7, you're going to do something that I sort of introduced a little bit earlier. So if somebody sends something to you and it's in a view only mode, I'm going to show you how to take it out of the view only mode. So once again, I can't access stuff that's in your shared files, but you do inside your shared files. You have a file from me that is called class data, and you're going to notice it's in a view only mode. So what I want you to do here is make it your own. So for example, I'm going to go to my shared with me folder, just like you. And like I said, I want you to look for the one that says class data, but I'm going to use this file that says Tiller Money. I'm going to open it up, and I want you to notice it's in view only mode, just like the file I gave you. I want you to go to File. You're going to make a copy. And you can see it says all sorts of things. Now, I wanted you to rename yours with your last name and class data. So I'm going to pretend that this is my class data file, okay? So I'm going to do OKUSSICK and just call it class data when I know it's not class data. Now, this has all sorts of things to it that yours doesn't, because this has scripts filed with it, but don't worry about that. I need you to go to folder, and it's going to be your drive. And you're going to go find your teacher folder. And your week 2. Select. So everything is the way you want it. And remember, just because I'm going to hide this right now, but just because you don't see this, you can always just click enter. And then you're going to go make a copy. So now you have your own copy, and it's in a mode that you can edit it, and it's in your week 2 teacher folder.